If you've ever needed to move notes from one notebook to another in Evernote, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer notes in Evernote step by step, including how to move more than one note at a time. This is a really simple process, but once you know it, it can save you a lot of time when you're organizing your workspace, cleaning up old notes, or shifting information into the right project notebook. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Evernote and make sure you're signed into the account that contains the notes you want to move. Once you're in, go to the notebook or note list where your notes are currently stored. Now, select the notes you want to transfer. If you only need to move one note, just click that note once. If you want to move multiple notes, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard while clicking each note you want to select. This lets you choose several notes at the same time without moving them individually. After your notes are selected, right-click on one of the highlighted notes to open the Options menu. In that menu, look for the Move option and click it. This is the command Evernote uses to transfer notes from one notebook to another. When you click Move, Evernote will show you a list of your notebooks. Now choose the notebook you want to send the selected notes to. Take a moment to make sure you pick the correct destination notebook, especially if you have similar notebook names. Once you've selected the right notebook, click Done to confirm the move. Evernote will then transfer the note or notes into that notebook automatically. After that, you can open the destination notebook to double check that everything arrived where it should. And that's it. You've successfully transferred notes in Evernote. Whether you're organizing school notes, work notes, or personal projects, this method makes it easy to keep everything sorted in the right place. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.